Why do you need to build you a FabBoxxx? And I call it a FabBoxxx with 3 X's because it does multiple things. So it's not just a regular toolbox. You got to add a few things to it to get it like this with your platform, where you can be able to lay things out, sit your welder on, have equipment in it. And I actually have a welder in it that my MIG welder, and I got it where I can run my wire through the bottom when I get ready to do my power. That way I can use my MIG when I need to. And then this unit right here is a TIG and stick unit. So, and as I showed you before, I put that back there for my dolly support. It slides in, slides out, and that's another feature. And then the feet, actually, I made them to come off so I can pop them on, pop them off. So if I'm loading it, I actually take the feet off. That way the toolbox will be smaller as far, tall, not as tall. So that's a plus. So it'll lower it down in your truck, and it won't sit, because it's like probably, I don't know, probably like 8 inches. So, you losing that 8 inches to go lower in your bed. That's a plus. But like I say, I just set it up, and it's not hard to do. You can make this on your own. And this is not something that I'm marketing to sell. I probably do some people boxes where, in the shop and in the school, when we start laying things out, we'll probably build some people FabBoxxx for them that want to have some stuff for their field or in the shop where they can be able to utilize it. And this is a 3/16 platform. So you got a 3/16 table, which is plenty for laying out, getting things together. You can go with a quarter. Quarter is great too, but the good thing about the 3/16 that I like, you can actually get it cut with a shear. A 1/4 inch, most shears don't cut it, so it's easier to get the 3/16 cut, chopped by a shear, to chop it out and to cut your holes for your bolts and things of that nature. So I'm gonna put some of this stuff down to actually show you how it all sums up real quick. That way you can see that. See that goes down, so that's not an issue. That way it's not taking up a lot of space. Move your bar. Like that. So you're putting your and there you go. This is optional. I like it so I can put my gun in it, but you don't have to have that on there. Or you can have it where you can, tack it on there as you need it, and then just take it back off, But that's pretty much what it is, man. The FabBoxxx. Like I say, something you can build in your spare time that you got right now during your quarantine, But I'm probably gonna build some of these better. I have some more ideas, so I'm always add to this one. This is like my prototype that I started working on this idea with. Probably gonna make it even better once I get to messing around. And like I say, just something where they can help the field welder and the hobbyist and the form welder, wrench welder, whatever. You can work on a few things. So actually, I just feel like you can kill a couple birds with one stone with this unit. So this is something you can work on. Like I say, man, it's not hard, not complicated. HogOn.